If you are looking to invest in Bitcoin, I am here today to show you 5 free charts that are easy to read and used by seasoned investors. I will break these charts into 2 groups, long-term price predictions and also short-term price predictions. Let's start off with the long-term charts. The first chart is the stock-to-flow model. This is probably one of the most famous charts in the world for Bitcoin. This was created by a Twitter user named Plan B. The model is typically used for precious metal but has worked well with Bitcoin. As you can tell from this chart, the price of Bitcoin stays relatively close to the stock-to-flow model. I've also indicated on the charts when Bitcoin halves. Bitcoin halving happens roughly every 4 years, where the rewards are cut in half. After Bitcoin halves, prices generally tick up as it is harder for the miners to mine for Bitcoin. The next halving is slated for 2024. Keep in mind that the stock-to-flow model does have its flaws, but it is a decent indicator on the price of Bitcoin for the years to come. The second chart is Google Trends. This is a free chart provided by Google. It shows search interest for a particular word. As you can see from the chart above, late October 2017, the interest was at 100%. I've left the Bitcoin price chart below, and at the same period, Bitcoin was slowly reaching its all-time highs. This is a great tool to see if people are interested in Bitcoin. Now, let's look at some short-term price prediction charts. The third chart is the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index. This is a free tool that can be found on most free trading platforms. The one I'm using today is on tradingview.com. Looking at the RSI model, anything above 70 is considered overbought, and anything below 30 is considered oversold. Whenever the RSI is above 70, you'll see price retracements. This has happened on numerous occasions. And whenever the RSI is below 30, you'll see that Bitcoin prices tend to rise after that. This is a great free tool for anybody who is new to Bitcoin. The fourth chart is the NUPL, or the Net Unrealized Profit and Loss. The NUPL looks at the difference between the unrealized profit and unrealized loss to determine whether the network as a whole is currently in a state of profit or loss. Anything below 0 means that we are in a capitulation or a no resistance phase. When that happens, the price of Bitcoin usually rebounds. If it is between 0 and 0.25, we are in a hope and fear phase. Between 0.25 and 0.5, the market is either in optimism or denial. Between 0.5 and 0.75, we're in a greed phase. And anything above 0.75, we're in a euphoria phase, and generally the prices retreat or fall after that. For me personally, anything above 0.75, I generally just hold and wait for the price to drop before I add to my positions. The fifth and final chart is from Cryptoquant. The All Exchanges Netflow shows Bitcoin moving in and out of the exchanges' wallets. An exchange is a company like Coinbase or Binance. From the chart shown, when there was a mass exodus of Bitcoin away from the exchanges, the price of Bitcoin generally takes a nosedive. Hope you guys enjoyed the 5 free charts I've displayed today. Remember, charts work till they don't. Your best bet is to huddle. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Thanks.